Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm here with you again with another pro tip from the Blacksmith shop here. I wanted to talk a little bit about how you can take and save your belts. So one of the biggest ways that you can take and save or increase the lifespan of your grinding belts on your belt grinders is to take and go to a 4.5 inch angle grinder first with a flat disc wheel. You want to take and do this because after you get done forging an item, say a drift, you've usually got a pretty heavy duty amount of forging scale on it. Or say you're not doing that, say you're going to clean up a piece for a project to be welded, say it's a fabrication piece, and you've got mill scale on that piece. It comes off a lot easier with an angle grinder than it does with a belt grinder. That's been my own personal experience that way. It is a lot more efficient at removing material very quickly with an angle grinder and then truing up everything, keeping everything in plane with the good old belt sander here. Another great reason to take into consideration for this here in doing the grinding before you go to your grinding belts and your different grits is because usually these belts cost a little bit more than what the flat discs do. Now, obviously, that can go the other way. You can play that both directions depending on how big of a flat disc you're using on whatever size grinder. It can actually be more expensive to take and replace the ones on the grinder. But it's just good to take and get a good rough grind. If it's something that's going to be a rough forging, say something like this 30-pound sledgehammer here, I'm not going to go to flat disc. I'm going to go to a hard grindstone first, which is going to save me loads of grinding belts, and where it's not quite practical to sit here and hold this 30-pound sledge against this belt forever. You're going to wear yourself out. So that's it for this pro tip. I hope that helps you. I hope it saves you some costs and some time and some effort in your shop. Let me know if it did in the comment section down below. And as always, God bless you all, and we will catch you on the next one.